Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the unit safe. Disconnect the spark plug wire and make sure no key is in the ignition. Once done, tip the mower or remove enough panels so you can reach the recoil housing. This gives straight access. You'll remove a few screws holding the shroud, keep them organized, because the recoil sits directly on the engine. This first step gets you at the mechanism quickly. Without exposure, you can't replace the pull string correctly. You now remove the recoil cover and loosen the center retaining nut while securing the flywheel with a wood block, so nothing spins free. Once the cover's off, observe the spring orientation and carefully let out tension. This prevents sudden unwinding. You'll thread the new cord through the pulley hole and wrap it neatly in the groove, following the original winding direction. Doing this maintains proper rewind force. Make sure the knot is tight and seat the pulley so the spring engages correctly. To finish, reinstall the pulley and recoil cover, tightening the center nut to a firm fit. Do not over-torque. Once reassembled, retract the cord slowly to the correct exposed length and attach the handle. You want enough wrap for a full pull without excess slack. Reconnect the spark plug, set the mower upright, and give a controlled test pull to verify smooth rewind and engagement. If the cord jams or won't rewind, check spring seating and pulley alignment. Misaligned parts cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.